we have to find number of moles of CH4. CH4 is methane. CH4 is methane. So the number of moles of CH4 present in 4 grams of methane is dash mole. So here we have to calculate the number of moles. The number of moles. Number of moles are equals to given mass upon molar mass. So what is given mass here? See, we have to calculate the number of moles of methane present in 4 grams of methane. So that 4 gram is our given mass. So given mass is equals to 4 grams. Now, in formula, we also need molar mass. Here we are talking about methane. Given mass of methane is 4 grams and molar mass of methane, that is CH4, it will be equals to. So, what elements we have in methane? One is carbon and the other one is hydrogen. So, what is the atomic mass of carbon? The atomic mass of carbon is 12 grams per mole. And what is the atomic mass of hydrogen? It is 1 gram per mole. Now we have to calculate the molar mass. In molar mass, we have to add the masses of all the atoms present. There is only one carbon atom, so we will add mass of carbon plus mass of hydrogen. How many hydrogen atoms we have? 4. So we will add 4 times mass of hydrogen. It will become mass of carbon is 12 plus 4 times mass of hydrogen, that is 1. 12 plus 4, it will become 16 grams per mole. Now, we have to calculate the number of moles. Number of moles of methane present is equals to given mass of methane. What is the given mass of methane? 4 divided with molar mass of methane, that is 16. It will be 1 upon 4, that is 0.25. So how many moles we have? The number of moles of methane present are 0.25 moles. So our answer is number of moles present in 4 grams of methane is 0.25 mole.